not continue. Those governors, the Council of Governors, including even the chair of health of the Council of Governors, who is not here, must be summoned to be able to come here and give the way forward. We cannot, a matter cannot come to this house and we continue playing politics on it. If these stakeholders were invited were serious, they would have been here to be able to resolve this crisis.
It is not just about the current stalemate. It is also about us as a nation avoiding finding ourselves in this quagmire again in the future. And the people who are bearing responsibility in ensuring that Kenyans receive the services that they deserve from our government must take their responsibilities seriously.
There has been an accusation, for instance, an accusation that I wanted to find an answer to, that the government walked out of a meeting on the 27th of March that had been scheduled to discuss these very matters. And when the CS of Health appeared before the Senate, she said they never walked out. So I was hoping both the union to be here, the unions are here, and the CS to be here, so that we find out who's telling the truth. But clearly from today's demonstration, I can now believe the doctors when they say the government ran away from them.
You can see, Chair, the commitment of all these members of parliament. Because we want value for money for Kenyans. But it seems our governors and our CSS want to derive joy from the suffering of Kenyans. And if it is true, the way Senator Sifuna is putting it, that Chair COG is watching these proceedings from the comfort of our office, I'm telling you, shame on you, Anoiguru. Shame on you.